Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators. As you see that the last couple of weeks, you heard all the best news on the cryptocurrency with the headlines on the exchange FTX. They filed bankruptcy. More than $50 billion had gone overnight and people rushing to withdraw whatever left before they filed bankruptcy. As you know that the market are driven by the fear and risk. As a technical trader, I'm not surprised what was happening, and today I'm going to show you a simple trading method that will prevent you from the crypto crash. So this is the technique that we are teaching at the Stock Navigator, so that you can, if you understand it, and then you can prevent this kind of market crash and keep you in the right side of the trend. This method is applied to all stock as well as the cryptocurrency. So today I'm going to using a two chart of crypto, that's the Bitcoin, the ticker symbol BTC USD, and the Ethereum ETS USD, so that I can show you how it look like. So as you understand, first in trading, you need to know how to analyze the chart by using a technical analysis. You cannot just listen to your news or get the tip from your friend or your neighbor. The market it never goes straight up or straight down. You have to understand that the market it go in phase. Okay, at number one. And number two, you need to understand the divergence between the price and the technical indicator, so that you can know where it's the ending of the move. And you need to know how to use the market geometry so that you know where to buy and sell. Okay, so first of all, talking about the phase, because any market, they will move in phases. Okay, phase number one, that's where the I call it accumulation phase. That's where the institution they come in, they start buying the crypto. This is the chart of the crypto, the Bitcoin right here. So you can see that in April 2019, when the price about 3,500, institutions start put it back in, and then they put the money into the Bitcoin, and then they take whole year for them to put it up slowly so that nobody can see it until April 2020. And then they start be able to reckon out and move to the upside. You can see that all the projects, they turn green, everything it move up nicely. And this phase number two here, I call a participation phase. So after the institution, they complete all the share, and then they start putting up the price. So a lot of people jump in, high demand, more buyers, and then this is the best phase that a lot of people coming in, and then they have an impressive move to the upside. So everything it look good. You hear all the good news on the TV, on the social media. All your friends are talking about Bitcoin all day long. So people jump in and buy, but when it hit to the upper resistance here, and then the price is getting a little bit more expensive, and people start taking some profit, because if they go from 10,000 to 64,000, that's a lot of money, and a lot of people that already make good money, so they have to take profit. So after they take the profit, the market will pull back down, and then now after that, and then they try to turn up, and again. So this time, you can see here a lot of analysts, they come out, they say that the Bitcoin is going to go to 150,000, and even some of them say it go up to 500,000. So a lot of people, they missing on the first move. They start jump in and then push the price up, but they didn't know that this phase number three here, they call a distribution phase. This is where the institution, they bail them out, they cash them out, because they hit to the next level of resistance. They also hit to the sell zone, and they cannot go higher. So a lot of people that they missing on the first phase, they jump in here, they jump in, they're afraid that they will missing the price to go up to 150,000. So that's why a lot of them get hooked here. So because they don't understand that the market, they only have three phase to move up, and after that they will have to correct after they break the upper support trend line here. and then things start turn down. So you can see that since October last year of 2021, they never go up to 150k. When they break this line here, all the price start turn to the downside. As you can see here, all the momentum is in red, the price chart in red, never give you a buy signal. So they finish the phase. Now they attack correct. So they have at least two phases of the correction. So the first phase come down, they put the next phase up, and they continue to go down. At this moment, they are still going down. Okay, so that's how you look at the market structure. They have three phases on the upside, and then they have at least two phases in the correction side. So right now, that's the one way that you need to know. The second method that you have to understand between the price and the technical indicator. So this is the divergent indicator. You can see that since over here in April of 2021 until November 2021, the price continued to go higher, but the technical indicator, they didn't follow, they go lower. So they tell you that you have a divergence between the price and the technical indicator. That could be the end of the move, so that you never buy in here. This is where you're supposed to sell, and after they cross again and the market is crashed down to the downside. So it means that from November 2021 until now, you should not touch it. You should not buy the Bitcoin. You only short the Bitcoin to the downside. Okay, so until they will diverge it again for the bottom, they have to cross the downtrend line here and then push it back up, and momentum turn green again in order to tell you that they're going to move higher. So that's why it's no surprise, the Bitcoin continue to crash until they hit to that level here, and then you can see some reversal. Okay, so that's the second thing that you need to know. And the third thing here is how to use the market geometry so that you can know where to buy and where to sell. Sometimes you have to know how to draw those lines, because those lines here, it looks simple, but they have a lot of meaning. Okay, because you have to connect the dot so that you know where is the upper resistance line. You have to know where is the level of support, where the sell zone, where the buy zone. If you don't understand this thing here, it's very difficult for you to know where the market will stop robbing and revert, where they hit to the resistance, and then they will crashing down. So it means that from last year until now, you should not touch the Bitcoin in the upside. They continue to rip down until the moment they be able to turn around again. So that one chart. The second chart is the second best coin that they call it the Ethereum, which is the ETS and USD. Okay, so let me see, ETS, USD. Okay, so this chart is very similar to the Bitcoin. However, they are cheaper price, so they attract more people. So since April 2019, it's only about to $300, and institution take them the whole year, okay, to accommodate until February, April or May 2020, and then they start put it back up like Bitcoin. So a lot of people, they don't have big money to buy Bitcoin, they buy Ethereum. So this is the phase 1 and phase 2. After that, they pull back down, and then they hit to the last phase. And very similar to the Bitcoin, you can see that the price continue to put it higher, but the momentum divergent on the technical indicator here, and you can see that this is the end of the move. And after they break this line here, so the phase 3 is done, and then the market will come back and to finish at least 2 cycle down, as you can see here. So this is 1 cycle down, second cycle up, and then the third cycle down. So as you can see, the price continue to go down. They never turn around and never be able to break a downtrend line here. So until today, they be able to do that, and then they push it back up. And you can see that, with the symbol line that you can connect the tip, and then you be able to draw the support line over here. You have to know where the fight zone by using a multiple time frame analysis, so you can see that this is a support level that they potential to hold up Ethereum. Okay, but you don't have the buy signal until they be able to break out and pull back and continue to the upside. So in the short term, right now you see it all the best news out there. People getting scared, but the Ethereum and Bitcoin, they may file the support, and all you need to do is just be patient, wait for them to turn around, and that will give you another chance to put it up to the upside again. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So three simple techniques that you need to know. Okay, number one, you have to understand that the market is moving in phase. Number two, you have to understand the divergence between the price and the technical indicator. And number three, how to use the market geometry so that you can draw the line. So you know where is the level that you're supposed to buy and where is the level that you're supposed to sell. Okay, so and combine with the price action, it will give you a clear trend definition to where you at, and then you can trade accordingly to prevent you from crashing on the Bitcoin like you see right now. Okay, so that's all I have for you. If you want to learn more about method, about detail about trading method, you can check out the link below, or you can check our website at stocknavigator.com. That's where we teach and we train and we mentor you every day. We have multiple instructors to help you. The difference between us and the other school is we are not just teaching you for a couple of days or 7 days, and then you go home, you trade it by yourself, you have no idea what's going on next. You forgot what you learned. But in Stock Navigator, we will train you, but we will support you. So you can ask the question, and will be answered live with many of our instructors, and then you can ask any question in person live, so that you can help you to understand the quote material, and so that you can clear your mind, and so that you can trade. And then we have a live trading room. That's where myself, and a couple of instructors, they will trading live with you. They will guide you through the volatile market, and then you can enjoy our Discord community with 1,000 of members. They support each other, so they can share the idea, so they can help you to understand the code and guide you in the right direction. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumb up, and I will make more video for you in the future. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.